for it. See who's living down there.
I can't open it!
Chinese chow mein.
I don't think any of this is safe.
Seat there back. Stick it through.
We'll flip.
Okay, that's. Go.
I don't see that. It's right here.
Oh, fucking hell.
Do you ever encounter anybody like how old and shit in the building? How you gone?
No.
Oh, Victoria.
We was kind of lucky not to bump into someone in Birmingham, weren't we? What the fuck? Another door there. Huh? What the fuck? I bet some dodgy shit's gone on in this room before.
Liam's on my shit. Yeah, why is this scratch marks in?
What was that?
What was that? Bird nest.
What?
Yeah, what happened in Birmingham? Why was you looking up to see anybody?
Shitload of needles everywhere. We thought we was going to bump into some crackheads. This is a weird room. Not much graffiti here, is there?
Graffiti?
No, there's not much here. There's some random fucking code, Wi-Fi password on the wall. Oh, it's all wet up here. Dripping from the roof.
Can you get radiation from being in there?
There's a bee in here.
My dog's such a bee.
What?
Yeah, no.
Isn't it?
Just a bee.
Come here.
Fuck off.
Ben.
Check him with his shrek.
That's probably a fucking pot noodle. What flavour is it? Chinese chow mein, yeah boy.
That's to free fill airsoft.
How's that?
Or get high with.
Yes. I do this one. Hell. Yes, you. You cunt. Jack.
Let's go for it. See who's living down there.
Echo. Oh shit, it goes that far.
Like, imagine if we got locked down here. Just gotta make sure someone would lock us in. We've got signal. We've got some beer. No, we've got signal for that.
Yeah, but that's it. Is that underwater?
That chair.
Really bad.
It's flooded.
There's a fucking frog on it!
Oh, there's fucking spiders on it.
Excuse me? Are you okay? Excuse me, sir. Oh.
Fucking spiders everywhere. Oh yeah, it's a little hatch.
Oh.
Oh, there's frogs sat on here as well, look at them.
How dark is it here without the light on?
That's how dark it is.
Radioactive.
Wow, so loud. I'm standing there with it.
I can't open it. What's the halo theme thing? Should we take a frog with us?
Ah, it's sick of them.
What was that? The fire alarm still work?
Dang. Did you do it?
Yeah, press it.
No lights. I don't know.
Yeah, they became Spider-Man for a second. Yeah, what? Be careful with your salmon.
What?
Imagine somebody's legs just being stuck. Oh, fucking shimmy off! Scared me. Asbestos.
Here we have a wild Liam in his natural habitat. His swing and a toss behind his shoulder technique is a mating call to the species of Liam.
Oh.
I gotta catch him a video. Izzy is a prick. Jack fucks Izzy.
Who's Jack? Car? Abandoned?
No, brand new.
Car parked there?
I'll be your passenger.
Shall I get in the back seat?
I don't think any of this is safe.
My seat go back.
Stick your dick through it.
Why hello there? Come stick your dick through this.
Yeah.
Wait, how do you get in there? Oh.
There's the glory hole.
The fuck is this?
Please, I will get you. Oh shit. Yeah, oh, I'm bailing the wall off. It's almost like the dogs go crazy in here.
Yes. Put that. How weak is it?
Not that bit, we're going.
Where's the...
It's a lot harder this side. I reckon you could just run into it with that.
It's made a fucking massive dent.
I don't think that's safe.
Ireland will love that.
There's a hole.
It's like eyes.
Go flip. Apparently on the map it's a nightclub. It's alright, yeah.
Right.
We can't go upstairs. It stinks in here.
A few years ago there was probably a family in here watching EastEnders. Oh wait, Jay.
Oh, these floorboards. It's all rotting away.
Hello?
There's nails sticking out the floor up here as well.
Oh, I can't get to you fucking way.
Yeah, there's no chance walking up here.
Where are you?
Up here.
Hello.
There's floorboards, isn't there?
Mm.
It's all rotting away, lad.
Can he turn around? Whoa.
Wait! You just fall through?
Yeah. Look at it, one upstairs.